Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the Velocity channel. A question that I get asked a lot is questions involving student loan forgiveness, student loan debt that a lot of people are in debt over. And so I just wanted to go ahead and get into that and show you by the numbers how you can actually forgive your own student loans. Come on, you can forgive your own student loans. This is going to be good. But before we go into that, please like, share, and subscribe. Let everyone know, let everyone around the world know that Velocity Banking improves economies. Let's get into it right now, all right? Look, you've got a student loan. Let's just say of $20,000. You got a student loan of $20,000. And you say, CJ, that is too low. I know, but look, for easy math, because we don't want to get too hard, all right? We want to absolutely be simple, and because I like simple, that's why. $20,000 student loan, and you're like, my goodness, can I get some forgiveness? You know what I mean? Of the student loan. Can I forgiveness? Listen, I want you to forgive your own student loans. Use the $50,000 line of credit, perhaps use the $20,000 line of credit, use even the $10,000 line of credit. You can even use $5,000. You can use the $1,000 line of credit. Put that line of credit towards the $20,000. Okay, this is how it's going to look. All right, let's just say you've got a $1,000, just $1,000. Okay, just $1,000, and you can imagine, my goodness, if I have more than $1,000, I can get this junk paid off immediately. $1,000, let's just put that right here, goes towards, right, the student loan. Okay, now let's just say, hey, we don't really care what you do with this money. We're going to take this money and we're going to divide it how we see fit, right? There is no such thing as placing it towards the principal on a student loan. What do you think we are, right? We're not helping you out. We're a business. Let's just say they say that, all right? So there's no way you can say, hey, $1,000 to the 20,000, but just make sure it's to the principal, please. Let's just say you can't say that, right? That's okay. You know why? Because as soon as this $1,000 goes towards the principal, come on, stuff is still going toward the principal. Guess what? That's what this is doing. It's going down. So let's just do that. 19,000, right? Now you got 19,000, right? Now you got 19,000. Well, look, the principal went down. Huh? Didn't the principal go down? Yes, it did. And say, well, CJ, they're not calculated right. It's only going to affect a little bit, but that's okay. You know why? You know why? Because with that $1,000, it's not your $1,000. Think about it. What you're doing is you're using someone else's money to pay for your debt. You got to hear me on this, guys. You got to hear me on this. You're using someone else's money to pay for your debt. Now, this $1,000 balance you owe to your credit card, yes, you do. But how is it going to be paid? Well, you get an income, right? And so where's that income going? Well, to the checking account. Yes, at first. Yes, you're gonna absolutely take your check, get that direct deposit straight to your checking account. Yes. Then what's going to happen? Maybe I can place $1,000 inside of, yes. So how much did you spend? Since you get paid bi-weekly, right? You get paid monthly. Let's say maybe you get paid every week. So how much did you spend? That's it. Well, I had to use the $1,000. Yes. Was it of your money? Well, I mean, technically, because you're parking the $1,000 there, right? So you still have the $1,000 when you got paid. And so what happens when that cycle comes again and you need to owe a student loan? Hmm? You put another $1,000. Now you're at $18,000. Does that make sense? Each month, let's say, and remember, this is an extreme example. I know a lot of you are like, my goodness, man, why? Why would I use my credit card? Look, because it works. Because it works. $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 you're making each month, right? You're going to put $1,000 inside of your credit card, right? Or inside of your line of credit. And you're simply going to take that $1,000 and place it towards the student loan. So you're decreasing that student loan gradually. Now, is the line of credit all that you have? Perhaps you do have $20,000 lying somewhere in a line of credit. Can you swallow this up and forgive your own student loan? Yes, you can. You turn that student loan, those treacherous payments, those treacherous scheduled payments, into a line of credit payment, and you've absolutely gotten rid of all your debt very, very quickly. All by using what we call, and what I'd like to call, leverage. It's called using leverage. You have the money to pay off all of your debt. It's right there. It's sitting in your wallet. It's sitting at the bank, your line of credit. It's sitting in your house, a first lien HELOC. Now, it's up to you to use it. So we're just going to overview one more time. $1,000 is going towards the student loan. From where? Not your checking account. It's going to be from your line of credit. And as long as you have that difference there, the income minus the expenses there, and you have a little bit of spread, it doesn't matter if it's this much spread or that much spread, that line of credit is still getting paid off. And once that line of credit gets paid off, what are you going to do? You're going to put it towards that student loan, or that home loan, or that car loan, or that on and on and on. See, it doesn't just stop at the student loans. You can continue this on, and don't even get me started on business ownership. Don't even get me started on being real estate investing. Because what happens when you start paying the $1,000 each month to your credit card and to your lines of credit? Are the lenders going to take notice? Yes. Are they going to increase your line of credit? Yes. Why? Because they see you're paying monthly massive amounts when you're really just transferring it. Folks, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. You can forgive your own student loans, just like this person did. God bless and have a great night.